Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. We got the Altima, Nissan Altimaniacs out there acting a bona fide fool. You know they think they got the hood Hellcats, and that's been for years. Since I was a kid, I always looked at the Altima as a fast car, and I think it's pretty fast. But is it fast enough to get away from the police? Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Altimaniacs down, aka Diabolicans? Or will the Diabolican Altimaniacs make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Straight to the action. They already got him pulled over. Nissan Altima, that's a new one. Newer one, ain't it? He ain't rolling the windows down?
You better roll it down now. Roll it down.
He ain't rolling the windows down.
Roll it down. I'm gonna bust it.
Uh-oh, he said he gonna bust it.
5 seconds to roll it out.
5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You lied. He lied. Man, I'm out of here. Yabba dabba doo. I'm out of here, man. I ain't finna sit here and listen to this. I'm an Altimaniac. Nice Altima too, man. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's not his car. That look like a baby mama's Altima. What y'all think? And it ain't got no hubcaps on it. He got a Diabolican Altimaniac. He ain't got no hubcaps on that thing, man. Give your baby mama her car back. Oh, look. He said, I ain't stopping. I play chicken. Body on earth, foot in hell. You want a sandwich, devil? And we rolling through the hood. Hood booger. Boogerville. We rolling through Boogerville. He got no hubcaps on either side. He ain't got no hubcaps on either side, man. Look at him. Why they ain't ramming him? You better throw that thing in the sports motor. It's over. They finna get him right here. They finna get him. Did they get him? That's another angle, I guess. My man said, I ain't finna be dealing with this, man. We in Boogerville. I'm out of here. We in Boogerville. You know this the hood. Look at it, man. This is definitely the hood. You know how I know it's the hood? Because I grew up in a place just like this. I grew up like this, man. Funnest times of my life, though. I ain't gonna lie. Look at him, man. They could have pitted him. I guess they ain't probably want to run him into nobody's house. But he definitely an Altimaniac, man. You know, if you see an Altima in the hood, you already know what it is. They up to no good. With no hubcaps. Is that an undercover police truck, too? He already got 5 stars on him? Oh, yeah, he must have put it in sports mode. Yeah, this is a recap, I guess. That's a nice Charger, police Charger on him. He got the deer guard on that big ass bumper. Ooh, pushed him right into it. Oh, they got him. Man, I'm out of here. It's gonna take more than that. It's gonna take more than that to stop me. I'm a hood booger. I'm about to tear my baby mama car up tonight. Look at him, man. I feel sorry for the lady who owned this car. But you know what they say. He ain't gonna do nothing but mess her car up. And he doing exactly what they said. Messing her car up. Man, I know it's faster than that. Mr. Pitt, he tried to get him. Is this a woman driving this car? No hubcaps on a brand new Altima is crazy. This a striker car. He in a striker Altima. Oh, he tried to throw water in his window. I see you. Oh, he lost it. Man, this car built to last. That thing's strong. This is a strong ass car. That's a strong ass Altima. Dang. That's a strong car, man. I ain't know them Altimas built like that. They're built like a Chevy truck. Like a rock. It's built like your ill-built body, ill-built baby mama. Built like Bam Bam Bigelow. My boy got an ill-built baby mama, but he swear everybody looking at her. Nobody looking at your baby mama, man. She built like a wrestler. Fishtail the Altima. This must be a base version, because it don't look like it's fast at all. Got him again. Got him. Uh-oh, he finna get footy. Altima feet. Oh, it ran over his leg. Man, what kind of takeoff speed was that? Lay down, convict. He said, come on, man. You know what you did, man. Is he crying? Oh, they got him hog-tied. They got him hog-tied. Rodeo style. Get this convict off the streets. What they call him, an offender? Get the offender off the streets, man. He might be high, man. It sounds like he might be high. The way he's crying and stuff, blurting out stuff. He probably high. Man, look at that Altima, though. That's crazy. He done tore his baby mama car up. She ain't gonna be able to go to work tomorrow. What? Why you run? He said they've been messing with him for years. Because you've been being a diabolican for years. What are we talking about here? You act like you've been being a good citizen. You've been a diabolican for the last 10 years. Talking about, so why they messing with me? You've been breaking the law for the last 10 to 15 years. You a diabolican. You've been a diabolican for years. That ain't gonna let you, they ain't gonna set you free because they've been messing with you. You going to the slammer, offender. You're going to the slammer. Talking about they've been messing with you for years. You've been breaking the law for the last 15. My boy did not use those windshield wipers after he got splashed with the water. Nasty work. My man said, y'all been messing with me for years, man. Have you been breaking the law for years? Have you been being a diabolican for years? He said, you going to jail, just shut up. You know, you going to jail, you cool there. It's like home. We've been messing with you for years, so you've been going to jail for years. You be okay. It's like home. Bro, it sounds like you've been breaking the law for years. It sounds like they know you. I can see if you've been being cool for years. It sounds like they know who you is, man. Riding around with an Altima with no hubcaps, tell me everything I need to know. I know I should not be just judging by a book by its cover. But every time I see somebody in an Altima with no hubcaps, I go the other way. I go the other way. If I go to the gas station and I see somebody pull up next to me in an Altima with no hubcaps, I hurry up and go ahead and finish. I don't need to fill full tank. I hurry up and put the gas tank up and I leave. I get up out of there. I know a hood booger when I see one. Talking about they been messing with you for years. You've been breaking the law for years. They ain't got no reason to mess with you unless you've been doing crazy stuff for years. You had a chance to change years ago, and you still ain't never changed. Where is he at? Is that him? He tried to fight again. They got him in the corner, y'all. True Ultimaniac. I think he going off them narcotics though. If you ask me, I think he probably high. He probably just got a hit. He probably just got a bump. A blast. He just got a blast. I don't know if it's that Finny or the methamphetamines, or it might be a combination, a concoction. That's crazy, man. Talking about they've been messing with you for years. Bro, I hate to say it, but if you keep on doing wrong every time, if you've been doing wrong for years, of course they gonna mess with you. They know they got an easy arrest every time they see you. They know you gonna run. They know you gonna do something stupid. It's just mathematically sound. You a statistic. They know they can get something off of you. And it's crazy because you should have changed years ago. You can't keep bumping your head and then pointing the finger at other people, acting like they the problem. No, you the problem, bro. You the problem. Why did you run in the first place? Now, he could have some mental issues, too, though. Now, we got to think about that, too. Now, he could have some mental problems. We got to have a heart, because he might have mental issues. Come on, my boy. Get a belt trying to pull your pants up. Get a belt, man. Built like a Krispy Kreme donut. I'm talking about the guy in the white shirt. You know who I'm talking to. Donut Dan. Put a belt on. All that belly. You got all that belly, but you don't want to put a belt on. Meet me in the comments. I hate to say it. Sometimes, you're the problem. If you've been running from the police for years, on top of years, you've been running from the police since I was a toddler, and you talking about they keep messing with you, maybe you need to change. Now, like I said in the video, maybe he had mental issues. And it's a possibility. We got to always we got to be a little lenient when it comes to that, because sometimes you have mental problems. We don't know what kind of problems he's having, but I'm going to go out on a limb, because I can smell a diabolic a mile away. He was a diabolic. Allegedly. We got to say allegedly. But come on, man. Doing all that running. Look at him. He just running to be running. Look at him. I mean, they pulled you over, and the first thing you do is take off? What do you mean they messing with you? Just take the ticket. If you ain't got nothing on you, let them search. You can record them searching you. You can record. Tell them turn their body cams on. Let them search you. They're taking off and running. We got to stop this. We got to stop this. And then Thomas said, man, y'all keep messing with me. Y'all be... 3 fingers is pointing back at you, man. You ran. Once you broke the law, of course, they wasn't just gonna let you run and not do nothing. Listen, we gotta make better decisions out here, baby. Listen, you can't keep making the same mistakes and blaming other people. You gotta make a change. Messing with you for years, that just tells me 9 times out of 10, you've been acting up for years. Running from the police, doing crazy stuff. You's a known criminal. And you keep doing criminal things. Talking about why y'all messing with me? You know why they messing with you, bro. You gotta grow up. Eventually, you gonna have to grow up. But with that being said, I ain't gonna dwell into it too much. As you can see, the Ultimaniacs doing Ultimaniac things. Now, you can't lie. If you see an Altima in the streets, driving in the streets, looking like this one on this video right here, you can't tell me you're not gonna go the opposite way. He got 4 hubcaps missing. 4. I can see 1 hubcap, maybe 2, but when I see 4, I got to get out of there immediately. Because whoever driving that car is up to no good. And I'm out of here. But yeah, with that being said, man, I'm going to slide out on up out of here. But before that, I got to give you some positivity. Listen here. If you keep making the same mistakes over and over and over and over again, what do you think is going to happen? I mean, honestly, you keep bumping your head doing the same thing, but you still expect change going to happen? It's never going to happen that way. It's never going to happen. You got to say, see, it's a box. You inside that box. I got to step out that box and do something different, or my life going to keep being the same way. You're going to keep doing the same dumb things, and you're going to be running like my man right here, running. And then when the police catch you, you want to say, you keep messing with me for years. Or in your case, because hopefully you ain't a bad guy. In your case, hopefully you can say, you're going to say, oh man, I keep messing up. People know everybody against me. My family against me. My friends against me. Everybody. Nah. If you keep on doing the same thing, it's you. You're the problem. You got to realize you're the problem. The first step is once you realize you're the problem, life gets easier. It gets easier. You can once you no longer blame people and just accept responsibility, things get easier. But with that being said, we're going to slide on up out of here. Listen, I don't condone running from the police. Absolutely not. We do not condone people doing this. We don't condone this. No. But listen to me when I say I will. I repeat, I will watch you make a fool of yourself. I will watch you be a 100% diabolic. Or in this case, an automaniac. But with that being said, we're going to slide on up out of here. But hey, if you just so happen to have to get up out of there, get up out of Dodge. Because you're a bad guy. Sometimes you got to choose the right vehicle. Please, and I do mean please, don't choose your baby mama's Altima.